I did a video. We learned how to make a house in Floorplanner. This time I figured I would take you on a tour of the house that I made this year using Floorplanner. So I'll open my house up. My requirements for this project were a bit different from yours, but I mean it's the same premises basically. So once this opens, okay, so here is the floor plan of my house, and as you can see, you can change how you're looking at your house. So you can look at it in black and white, colored drawing, or with the actual pictures. And then I'll go into 3D to show you around. Okay, so this is my house. So this is where you enter the house from. Hold on, that is the front entrance. And then over here is the kitchen. There's actually a gap between those two counters, but we'll ignore that. Here is the kitchen. Here is the living room area. I really tried hard to kind of like make this house a uniform style, and I'll kind of show you how I did that later. Here's the bedroom. These toggles are so hard to move. Here is the bathroom. Here is the washroom. This is just like a utilities room. And then, whoa, here is the office. And here is the balcony. So I got all this furniture, and it took me a very long time to find furniture that kind of went with the style I was going for. It was a lot of just going into the furniture, going into different categories. So I don't think you guys can see these drop-down menus from the last time I screen recorded. I think you couldn't see them. But basically I'm just going into the different furniture categories, and I'm going to go into bedroom furniture. Then we'll go into beds, and then you can even go more specific than that. So we could go 4-poster and canopy beds if you want like a fancy bed. And then I did a lot of scrolling, and you can also even like search more specifically than that. So if I put like in blue, let's see if anything comes up. I don't think anything will. But yeah, basically I just spent a lot of time messing around, scrolling down very long lists of beds, to try to find what I was looking for. And also if you go into some of these items, I think if you click an item that you've already laid down, you can go into similar items. Why is it not loading? Here we go. And then you can see things that hopefully will match like the same style that you're going for. So you don't have to go like as crazy as I did, but yeah. And then another thing that I really enjoyed doing was finding like really specific kind of like decorations. So you could go into, let's see, I think under miscellaneous, and then in miscellaneous you can go to desktop accessories, and you can find just like really, like this is a cool chair. So like you could add a fun chair and then go see how that looks. Whoa, why is the chair so small? So, but you can raise it up and move it around in here, which is really helpful, so you don't have to toggle back and forth. Like right here, we could see that my kitchen counters actually don't line up right, so I think I'll move this one and try to get it closer together. There we go. See, that would have been so much easier if I had known that when I made this, instead of having to go back and forth all the time and then still not even lining it up right. So yeah, hopefully this helps you guys. Just have fun with it. I had a lot of fun decorating my house. There's a lot of really interesting stuff you can find in the furniture section if you look hard enough. Like, yeah, my advice is to just go through it and see what you find, because you'll find some really interesting stuff in there. So thanks, guys!